Hey there! VS Code isn't that great when it comes to folded code blocks. As you can see in this example, it gets the job done, but limits visibility and is difficult to understand what lies inside those code blocks. Another downside is that it's hard to customize it to your liking. That's why I want to show you the Better Folding extension. As the name suggests, this extension offers a more intuitive and customizable way to fold and unfold code blocks. Let's go over these lines of code and see how they look like while folded. We can even fold everything else except the code blocks we want to focus on. Select your code, then press down Ctrl+Shift+P and type in create Zen folds around selection. Press enter, and now everything else is folded except the selected piece of code. Better Folding supports most brackets-based languages such as JavaScript, TypeScript, PHP, Rust, C++, and more, and also XML-based languages such as JSX and TSX. HTML is sadly not yet supported. If you want to customize your experience, click this cog icon and then Extension Settings. From here you can enable or disable certain extension features such as excluding certain languages, folding, closing brackets, tags, and so on. Make sure to check the README section to get the latest update, read the instructions and the changelog. Overall, the Better Folding extension is a valuable addition to VS Code for anyone looking to streamline their coding workflow and improve their productivity. Alright, that was it for this video. Stay tuned for more content, have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.